1032 stolen vehicle situation underway.
Copy that.
Control, we're on it.
Take him down! Ask Central for some backup.
Suspect vehicle was last seen in Linden West.
Need backup at my location.
Received.
Close the gap, Boot.
Civilian hit.
84 received. Suspect vehicle identified in Central Plaza. Affirmative. Suspect vehicle was last seen in Litchfield.
Get your gun out.
He's shooting! Take him down! Let's get some backup here.
We have units on standby if required.
84 Adam requesting backup.
10-4.
Shots fired!
Reach for the sky.
He's shooting!
Target is down. Dispatch requesting coroner for deceased at scene.
Received. Acknowledged backup en route. Patrol, we have reports of a possible DUI in Litchfield.
Control, we're on it.
Copy.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Affirmative, stand by. 84, no infractions on record.
Well, looky here.
You have the right to remain silent.
'84 to traffic. Need a record for an abandoned vehicle blocking the roadway.
10-4. Unit will be dispatched to your location.
All units, gang confrontation with shots fired in Chinatown.
Central be advised of a Grand Theft Auto at this location.
Understood.
Runner!
You're out of options, Dirtwad.
Assistance is available.
Chase him! Cuff him up, Boot.
You have the right to remain silent. Central, requesting a 1029 on the subject.
Received. Checking now. Nothing flagged in the system. They're clear.
Okay, they're sober.
Requesting tow unit. Abandoned vehicle in roadway causing hazard.
Confirmed. Tracker en route.
All units, immediate support requested in Springwood.
We're rolling out, Central.
Understood.
Get away!
Take him down! Suspect is fleeing on foot!
Suspect down. We need some backup!
Dispatch to 84, message received. Adam, we have backup in your vicinity. What do you need?
84 Adam, requesting backup.
84 received.
Don't make it worse for yourself. You have the right to remain silent.
Good catch.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Checking database for records. All clear on that search. No criminal history.
Okay, they're sober.
Supporting officers on channel, stand down and continue patrol.
Control, requesting ME transport for a confirmed fatality.
Roger. 10-4 units on their way.
84 Adam, request to impound transport for vehicle blocking traffic.
Understood. Tow crew will handle.
Dispatch to all available units, be advised of a possible GTA on Fenwick Intersection 3.
We have eyes on a vehicle theft in progress.
10-4.
Central, let's take that.
Take her down! Call for some more units, Boots!
It's a flame out! Need backup at my location.
Understood. Suspect vehicle identified on Apollo Port.
Get closer!
Suspect vehicle last spotted on Apollo Intersection 3.
Take a shot if you can. Dispatch, we need backup here.
Received. Suspect vehicle last spotted on Apollo intersection 2.
Shoot the vehicle!
Identified in Carlito. Assistance is available.
Take her down!
We need some backup.
Copy.
Units in pursuit. Stinger is deployed.
Close the gap, Boots!
Suspect vehicle last spotted on Apollo intersection 5.
Just quiet!
84 Adam, we have backup in your vicinity. What do you need?
No signs of life.
Traffic, tow unit for vehicle tied to investigation. Forensic unit.
Copy that. Tow unit on the way.
Attention officers, backup is needed in Warhurst.
Unit 84 in transit control.
Acknowledged.
ACPD, drop it now.
Arrest him!
Halt. Hey, you have the right to remain silent. Control, check this one for priors.
Affirmative, stand by. 84, no infractions on record.
Okay, they're sober.
Backup units, 1098, resume normal duties.
Dispatch, vehicle abandoned in traffic lane. Please send a record.
Understood. Tow crew will handle it.
You got this, kid?
Traffic dispatch to 84. Records confirm removal is complete.
All units, we have reports of a street robbery in Warhurst.
Car 84 observing an auto theft incident.
10-4.
On our way, dispatch.
Call for some more units, Boots!
84 Adam, requesting backup.
Affirmative. Suspect vehicle identified in Sentinel Square.
Get tighter to the suspect!
Suspect vehicle was last seen in Sunnyside.
We need Shots! Open fire! You're too far away.
Suspect vehicle identified on Lacoima Bridge.
Shots fired!
Suspect vehicle last spotted on Portalo Hill.
He's shooting! Get closer!
Suspect vehicle identified on Fenwick North Bay.
Take him down! Let's get some backup here! Book him, Dano!
You have the right to remain silent.
Ah, contraband.
Dispatch, I need a warrants check on an ID.
Checking database for records. Nothing flagged in the system. They're clear.
Okay, they're sober. Just relax, will ya?
Requesting tow unit. Abandoned vehicle in roadway causing hazard.
Confirmed. Wrecker en route.
Central, be advised of a Grand Theft Auto at this location.
Copy.
Control, we're on it.
Support is standing by. Suspect vehicle was last seen on Portalo Hill. Suspect vehicle identified in Chinatown.
Need backup at my location.
Roger. Suspect vehicle was last seen in Litchfield. We have units on standby if required.
Hold it. You have the right to remain silent.
Well, looky here.
Control, check this one for priors.
Affirmative, standby. 84, individual is a known felon.
Okay, they're sober.
'84 to traffic. Request impound pickup for a parking violation.
Understood. Tow crew will handle it.
Any available cars, citizens are reporting a driver showing signs of impairment on Portalo Hill.
84, Adam, show us handling.
84 received.
1088 vehicle pursuit!
ACPD, stop your vehicle immediately. It's the police. Stop the car.
Suspect vehicle identified in Litchfield.
Dispatch, we need backup here.
Call for backup!
Hands up now!
Hook 'em and book 'em, kid.
You have the right to remain silent. Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Received. Checking now. 84, no infractions on record.
You're gonna add DUI to their charges.
'84 calling traffic. I have a felony scene vehicle for tow and forensic analysis.
Copy that. Tow unit on the way.
Central, requesting a 1028.
Received. Checking now. Nothing flagged in the system. They're clear. Attention officers, backup is needed in Jonasville.
Central, we're on our way.
Dispatch to 84, message received.
Freeze!
Runner! Book 'em, Dano!
You have the right to remain silent.
What have we got here?
Central, requesting a 1029 on the subject.
Checking database for records. Search returned with an active warrant. All backup units, incident under control. Resume normal duties.
We have eyes on a vehicle theft in progress.
Copy that.
You really don't want to do this.
84, Adam, show us handling.
ACPD.
84 Adam, we have backup in your vicinity. What do you need?
We need some backup.
Received. Suspect vehicle last spotted in Little Italy.
Hook 'em and book 'em, kid.
You have the right to remain silent.
Good catch.
Dispatch, I need a warrants check on an ID.
Affirmative, stand by. 84, no infractions on record.
Okay, they're sober.
Traffic dispatch. Request tow truck to remove vehicle parked in violation.
Understood. Tow crew will handle it.
Dispatch. Vehicle abandoned in traffic lane. Please send a record.
Understood. Any available units? Civilians are reporting a carjacking on Electric Avenue.
84, Adam. Show us handling.
Roger that.
We got it. Surrender now.
We have units on standby if required. Suspect vehicle identified on Apollo intersection 5.
You're too far away.
Suspect vehicle was last seen in Lafayette.
She's out of control.
Acknowledged. Suspect vehicle last spotted in Little Italy.
Need backup at my location.
Roger. Suspect vehicle identified in Boddicker Yard.
Let's get some backup here.
84, Adam. Requesting backup.
Received.
Roadblock deployed.
He's out of control.
Dispatch to 84. Message received.
Take the shot, kid. Get tighter to the suspect.
Dispatch, we need backup here.
Copy.
Spike strip is ready. Suspect is rolling on flats, but they ain't stopping.
Suspect vehicle identified on Electric Avenue.
It's clear. Shoot them. They're trying to get away.
Suspect is fleeing on foot. Book him, Dano.
You have the right to remain silent.
Ah, contraband.
Control, check this one for priors.
Checking database for records. Records indicate prior criminal activity.
Okay, they're sober.
Adam, forensics transport needed. Vehicle connected to crime.
Confirmed. Wreck all around.
Be advised of a reckless driver, possibly under the influence.
Roger.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Affirmative, stand by. Nothing flagged in the system. They're clear.
That explains the driving.
She's running!
We got you, scumbag. You have the
Hook 'em
right
and
to
book 'em,
remain
kid.
silent.
'84 Adam, request to impound transport for vehicle blocking traffic.
Understood. Tow crew will handle it.
84 to traffic. Need a record for an abandoned vehicle blocking the roadway.
84 Adam, be advised, pickup task completed.
We have a confirmed carjacking underway.
Received.
Central, we'll take that. We need some backup.
Copy. Suspect vehicle last spotted. Carlito. Suspect vehicle identified on Apollo intersection 5. 84 Adam, we have backup in your vicinity. What do you need? Suspect vehicle last spotted on Electric Avenue. Suspect vehicle was last seen on Ocean Strip.
Arrest her!
You have the right to remain silent.
We'll take that.
Dispatch, I need a warrants check on an ID.
Received. Checking now. All clear on that search. No criminal history.
Had a few brewskis.
Dispatch, vehicle abandoned in traffic lane. Please send a record.
Acknowledged.
Incoming alert. Vehicle theft involving force witnessed on Apollo Northwest. All units, multiple sightings of a vehicle drifting between lanes on Apollo intersection 8.
On our way, dispatch.
Dispatch to 84, message received.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Checking database for records. 84, no infractions on record.
Ah, contraband.
You have the right to remain silent.
'84 to traffic. Need a record for an abandoned vehicle blocking the roadway.
Okay, we'll get a tow truck down there ASAP. Traffic dispatch to 84. Records confirmed. Removal is complete.
Any available units, civilians are reporting a carjacking on Apollo Port.
Control, we're on it.
Copy that. Suspect vehicle identified on Apollo intersection 7. Support is standing by.
Dispatch, we need backup here.
10-4. Suspect vehicle was last seen on Electric Avenue. We have units on standby if required. Suspect vehicle identified on Electric Avenue.
Hook 'em and book 'em, kid.
Wait there. You have the right to remain silent.
Good catch.
Control, check this one for priors.
Received. Checking now. 84, individual is a known felon.
Okay, they're sober.
'84 Adam, request to impound transport for vehicle blocking traffic.
Copy that. Tow unit on the way.
Multiple sightings of a 1032 auto theft in Carlito.
On our way, dispatch.
Acknowledged.
We got you. Surrender now.
Suspect vehicle last spotted on Electric Avenue. 84 Adam, we have backup in your vicinity. What do you need?
We need to stop that vehicle.
Understood.
Driver, tail
84 Adam, requesting backup.
Roger that. Suspect vehicle identified on West Bay Bridge.
Call for backup.
PS5.
Close the gap, Boot.
Get your gun out.
Suspect vehicle identified on Apollo intersection 7.
Oops. Arrest her.
Take it easy. You have the right to remain silent.
We'll take that.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Affirmative, stand by. Search returned with an active warrant.
Okay, they're sober.
Dispatch. Record needed for felony vehicle. Forensic strip down.
Understood. Tow crew will handle it.
All units, immediate support requested in Litchfield.
Unit 84 in transit control.
Affirmative.
We gotta chase!
He's shooting.
Suspect down.
Take her down.
Suspect KIA.
Backup units, 1098. Resume normal duties.
One dead. Cover the body. Central, we have a deceased on scene. Corner pickup needed.
Acknowledged. Copy that.
84 to traffic. Need a record for an abandoned vehicle blocking the roadway.
Okay, we'll get a tow truck down there ASAP.
Attention, urgent backup needed at Lacoima Bay.
Dispatch, show us en route.
10-4.
Camera removal confirmed. Area is all clear.
They're trying to get away.
Chase him. Book 'em, Dano.
You have the right to remain silent.
Quit struggling. Dispatch, we need backup here.
Received.
You have the right to remain silent.
One perp coming in, dispatch.
Well, looky here.
Control, check this one for priors.
Received. Checking now. Records indicate prior criminal activity. All units, scene secure, return to prior assignments.
Shift's over. Yabba dabba do.
Dispatch, vehicle abandoned in traffic lane. Please send a record.
Understood. Tow crew will handle it.
84 to traffic. Need a record for an abandoned vehicle blocking the roadway.
Just relax, will ya?
Traffic dispatch to 84. Records confirm removal is complete. And removal confirmed. Area is all clear.